Loose or wobbly pavers can totally mess up your patio or walkway, but fixing them by removing and resetting on a compacted base is easier than you think. So, first thing, you gotta pull out those loose pavers carefully without cracking them. Next, check the base underneath. If it's all uneven or soft, that's your problem right there. You want to dig down a bit and add some crushed stone or gravel, then compact it super well so it's solid. Use a tamper or even something heavy to pack it down tight. After that, spread a layer of sand over the compacted base to help the pavers settle evenly. Then, place your pavers back in the exact spot they came from, pressing them down firmly so they don't wiggle. Finally, brush more sand into the gaps between the pavers to lock everything in place and keep weeds out. This method keeps your pavers stable and looking fresh for way longer. One of the biggest problems with loose or wobbly pavers is skipping the base prep, which makes everything sink or shift over time. Fix that by always compacting your base properly before laying pavers. Another common mistake is not using enough sand or skipping the sand layer. Without that cushion, pavers won't sit tight, so always spread a good layer of sand and fill the joints after resetting. The third issue is rushing the process and not letting the base settle before putting the pavers back down. Patience here means less future hassle, so take your time compacting and leveling before resetting. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot where homeowners can find trustworthy local contractors who really know their stuff for projects like this. It also helps contractors get connected with people who need their skills, making it easier for both sides to get the job done right.